How to delete all past posts on Facebook. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. Go to Settings. Scroll down to the Your Activity section. Then, go to Activity Log. Here, tap on your Facebook activity. Now, tap on Manage Posts as shown. Over here, you can view all the information about posts that you're shared or interacted with. Tap on the three dots beside the post you want to delete. And then, tap on Move to Bin. Tap on Move to Recycle Bin to confirm. Here, tap on Recycle Bin as shown. Over here, select All at the top. Then, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted all your posts. Re-enter your password over here and then tap on Submit. Following these steps, you can easily delete all past posts on Facebook.